So in this video, I want to show you how to open a Payoneer account. First of all, go to your apps on your phone, your app screen. You click on the Chrome browser. When you click on the Chrome browser, on the search bar, type Payoneer, payoneer.com. Type payoneer.com. Easy. Click on the payoneer.com. So it will take you to this interface. So open your account. When you get to this interface, on your phone, look on top of your phone where you have these three dots here. These three dots, click on it. Change your phone to desktop mode. To change your phone to desktop mode, click this desktop site. This place that says desktop site. Click on it. When you click on it, your phone will be changed to desktop mode. So if you click on these three dots again, you see that this desktop site has been ticked. So your phone is now in a desktop mode, just like you're using a laptop. Do you get? So now you click on this, open your account. When you click on open your account, they will ask you to choose the right Payoneer account for your business need. Choose freelancer or SMB. This first one that says freelancer or SMB. Click on it. Now they'll ask you to select the options that describe you the best. Say click this place that says I'm looking to. When you click on it, it will take you, click on it. You click on that place and it will take you to this interface that says the right account for you is freelancer, agency or service provider. Click on this place that says register. Click on it. When you click on that, it will bring you to this interface. Now you can enlarge your screen to see it better. Now make sure that the first box is ticked. The first box is ticked. You tick no, my business isn't registered. Even if you have a business that is registered, please don't check yes, I own a business, because if you check that one, there will be series of things that will be asked you, questions you'll be asked that will be so complicated for you. So just choose no, my business isn't registered and proceed to enter your details. You enter your first name, your last name, your email address, re-enter your email address and date of birth. So I want to really point out something here. You need to be very careful here. So what I want to say here is that you need ID card. You need your ID card for this, for you to be able to open a Payoneer account. So here now, you need 3 ID card. Either you use your NIN ID card, or you use your driver's license, or you use an international passport. So anyone that you have, you can use. So make sure that the name that is under your ID card is the name that you're entering in here. The first name there is the first name you're entering here. The last name there is the last name you're entering here. There. The date of birth under your ID card is what you are entering here. If anything differs, you will not be able to open this account. There will be issues with this account, or you cannot create this account, or this account will be suspended during verification. Do you get? So make sure that those details right. So after putting that your details, your name and your date of birth and your email, you click next. It will bring you to this interface again. The next interface, your country. So my country is already selected here for me, which is Nigeria. Then you put your street and number. Make sure that your street and number is also the street and number that is in your ID card. That ID card that you have, whether it's NIN or international passport or driver's license, the street number, and that's your address, that your home address that you imputed there, the same thing, exact thing you put here, or else you're going to have issues with your account. So you put your street and address, you put your phone number, and then when you put your phone number, a code will be sent to you. When they send a verification code for you, you're going to enter the verification code here, and then you click next. Do you get? So after filling that part and putting your code and clicking next, it will bring you to this other interface. This new interface will say enter a password. So you put a password for this your Payoneer account, create a password, re-enter the password, and then click security question and choose any security question here. Like this one that says, in which city was your first elementary school? You can choose any one that you remember, or what is the name of the hospital you were born? What is the first name of your eldest cousin? Or how old was your father when you were born? Anyone that you can. And this one says, what's the name of the college you went to? Anyone you remember easily. Choose that one and make sure you write down the security question and answer you imputed here somewhere in a book and keep, so that if need arises, you can still go back to that book and then use it. So make sure you copy your security question and the answer you gave and put it in a book somewhere. Keep it, save it somewhere. You get? After that, you put your ID details, issuing country of ID Nigeria. You did a national ID you want to use. You click. If it is not, if it is driver's license, you choose driver's license. If it's passport, you click passport. And then you put the ID number. After that, you click next. You click on next to continue. So the next now is after inputting your ID details, it will take you to this page. Now they've told you you're almost done. Please add a bank account for withdrawal. If you have, for me, I'm going to use my personal account, which is a Naira account. If you have a dollar account, you just come to that. If you're from Nigeria, you have to click Nigeria, or if you already register you're from Nigeria, they will put Nigeria here for you. For your currency, it has to be in NGN. But if you have a dollar account, you can click this drop down arrow and choose the USD. Choose this button. But for me, I'm using a Naira account. Then after that, you come here where you see bank name. Click here to put your bank name. So there's another thing I want to really point out here. Make sure that the bank account you are attaching to this your Payoneer account, make sure that bank account has the same name with the name you use in this registration, with the name that is in your ID card, in any of the ID card you use, whether it's the NIN you use or international passport or driver's license. Make sure the name of that bank account you're imputing here is the same name that you're using for this registration, and it's the same name that is on your ID card. If not, you will have issues when it comes to collecting your money. So make sure everything rhymes. So yeah, I'm going, after here, you put your bank name here. Click this drop down arrow. Once you start typing bank name, for me, I want to use GT Bank, or let me type full name. See, Guarantee Trust Bank just came up, and then you click. Do you get? Then you put your name. See, like for me now, that I've already highlighted my name here, Margaret Herzog, because this is the name I use in registration. So make sure that name you're putting for registration is the same name that is in the bank account that you're going to input here. And then you put your account number here, that account number that is attached to that bank account. After that, you click on this box here. I agree to these terms and conditions and privacy cookie policies. Also tick this box that says I agree to the pricings and fees and submit, and click on this submit button. So now we've gotten to this stage now. After inputting your account details, attaching your bank account details, you get this. Now your application is completed. Your application has been successfully submitted. So it is now in reviewing process. And now it is stated here you receive an email confirmation with the next several business days. Once the application has been reviewed. So now once the application, step 3 says receive payment. Once your application is approved, you will receive an email confirmation and can begin receiving payment to your account. So this is the final stage. This is the final stage now. Do you get? And when you get to here, you see congratulations. So that is just how to open a Payoneer account. It's that simple. I hope this video helps.